Really, I can just say that we are in a close contact with the Russian health authorities, and discussions are ongoing with respect to possible WHO pre-qualification of the vaccine. But again, pre-qualification of any vaccine includes the rigorous review and assessment of all required safety and efficacy data. And we are encouraged by the speed by which several candidate vaccines have been developing. And as we have been always saying, we hope that some of these vaccines will prove to be safe and efficient, and that through this mechanism that I just talked about, we will be able to doses that will be then distributed in an equal way, and maybe to look into like how this distribution would go, what would be some prioritization, and similar things. Thank you.